Dear students, in today's class, let us understand how to solve the problems on regression. So, in my previous theoretical class, I have explained you about the basic concept of regression. Watch that video once again, and directly in this class, I will come to solution of problems. So, regression is nothing but a process of ascertaining value of unknown variable by the help of known variable. So two variables will be there. One variable value of one will be known, another one will be unknown. So for example, x and y, in these two, one value will be known, another will not be known. So therefore missing value may be of x, missing value may be of y. If x is missing, then y will be given. If y is given, x will be missing. First let us take x on y. What is x on y? So x value is unknown, we know the value of y. X is unknown, y is known, therefore we are calling it as x on y. So how to find out the value of x? By application of this formula, x minus x bar is equal to bxy into bracket y minus y bar. So we know x bar calculation, we know y bar calculation. Bxy is there, so how to ascertain bxy? Later I will explain you. So this is the formula for ascertaining x. And next, if y is not known, x is known, opposite to this. We don't know the value of y, but we know the value of x. Then how to find out the value of y? For this formula is there, y minus y bar. Here it was x minus x bar, now it is y minus y bar. Here it is bxy, in this case it is byx. In previous case it is y minus y bar, here it is x minus x bar. So like this we ascertain the value of y and x. In these two formulas, x on y, y on x, in these two formulas, first bxy is there and byx is there. How to find out bxy? For ascertaining bxy, we follow this formula. Bxy is equal to, so like in correlation you have done all these problems, you have used this formula, so simply we have to use that. So bxy is equal to n sigma uv. You know how to ascertain u and v. N sigma uv minus into bracket sigma u again into bracket sigma v. Numerator will be just like a correlation, Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation formula, very similar to that one. So that should be divided by n sigma v square minus into bracket sigma b whole square. This formula relates to bxy. Now let us understand byx. So here byx is there, byx is equal to, it may be the case of bxy or byx, numerator will be same. See, n sigma uv minus into bracket sigma u again into bracket sigma v, same formula is there, but just a slight change is there, that is in terms of denominator. Here in case of bxy we have used v, here we are using u. Here it is v square, here it is u square, here it is sigma v whole square, here it is sigma u whole square. So like this we ascertain bxy and byx. And one more formula I have to explain you, that is of x bar and y bar. Already you know, a plus sigma u divided by n, that relates to x bar, and y bar is equal to a plus sigma v divided by n. So these are the most important formulas that you have to remember. In my next class I will be explaining you, I will be solving one practical problem. So repeatedly watch this video. The same question will be asked in C section. It is quite simple process. Thank you.